Hello and welcome to the Slingshot channel. Well, this Easter Sunday I want to present to you a new invention of mine. It's the first full auto slingshot crossbow. It's really not full auto, but it's a repeating gatling gun. In this case I have cocked the bands, but I haven't yet loaded any ammo in it, because I want to show you how it works. You just turn the wheel and the barrel keeps rotating very freely. And later on you can see that when there is a ball loaded in between one of these pouches and the block, then it's got shifted upwards so the shot falls. And you can shoot ball after ball after ball, but also go full auto. In one turn of this thing will fire all 8 shots. So now it is loaded with 20mm steel balls, and you see that if it hits the post here, it automatically gets shifted up over the notch and then the shot breaks. Now let's fire single shots first, and then we go for full auto. Firing single shots is easier to do this like this, so you don't use the crank, but you just put in here. So we go shot, 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 shot. 8 shots. So now we will go for full auto, which isn't full auto, it's really a repeating process. So we use the crank for that, and then you will also see that it's important that this thing fixes the up and down motion of my shoulder, because when you crank, otherwise you cannot hold the weapon steady. Let's do it. Okay. One more go at full auto. That's fun. So you can see the pattern of many 20mm balls hitting the target. So as you can see, this looks a little bit like the hair of the Medusa. But it still turns. The mechanism needs to operate even when the weapon is not loaded. So the world's first full auto slingshot crossbow. Well, I think I can optimize that some, can also use stronger rubber, but I think it works just fine. What is it good for? Well, I don't know. It's just for the fun of it. Well, I hope that you like it. Thanks and bye-bye.